In this video, I will show you how to set a static IP address on Ubuntu. First, go to the top right of your screen and click on the network icon. It might look like a Wi-Fi symbol or two arrows. Now click on Settings or Network Settings. On the left side, choose either Wi-Fi or Wired, depending on how your computer is connected to the internet. Now, click on the gear icon next to your network. This will open the settings for that connection. You'll see several tabs. Click on the one that says IPv4. By default, it's set to Automatic or DHCP. Change this to Manual. Now you'll see fields to enter your IP address, Netmask, and gateway. In the Address field, type the IP address you want to use. For example, 192.168.1.100. In the Netmask or Net Prefix field, type 24. This is the same as 255.255.2550. In the Gateway field, type your router's IP address. Usually it's 192.168.1.1. Scroll down to the DNS field. Type the DNS addresses you want to use. For example, 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Now click Apply to save the changes. To make the new settings active, turn your connection off and then back on. Your computer should now use the static IP address you set. To check it worked, open Settings, go to Network, and click the gear icon again. In the Details tab, you'll see the IP address in use. That's it. You've now set a static IP address on Ubuntu.